tonight at 180, it is United Praise. So everybody is welcome to join us at 8:15 p.m, where there's going to be worship and word, and the word this week is going to be brought to you by a couple of our very own young people. So come along and encourage them, get encouraged yourself this Friday night at 180 United Praise.
We are Youthquake, we know the earth shakes.
If you're new here to Excel Church, then we would love to invite you to our coffee and cakes evening, which is going to be on the 23rd of June at 5:30 p.m. It's just a chance for you to get to know the leaders here at church and find out a bit more about what the vision of Excel is too. So if that's you, if you want to come along to the coffee and cakes evening, then please go and speak to one of our welcome team to sign yourself up, or you can do that on the website too. So that's the 23rd of June is our new person's coffee and cake evening. Next Sunday evening after our 6 p.m. service, we have late night worship. So starting at 8 p.m. in the People's Centre, it would be great for you to come along to late night worship, where we're going to dim the lights, have some chilled out worship music, and really create an atmosphere where you can press in and worship God. So that's 8 p.m. next Sunday evening in the People's Centre.
I'ma heat them with favor, cause he didn't leave me for later. But what you talking about, like? Oh, about that new life.
On the first weekend in June, we're all going off to Strength Will Rise at Kethenley. So if you are coming with us, it's going to be awesome. But if you're not, then please remember there are no services here that weekend. That's the 1st to 3rd of June. Here at Excel Church, there will be no services because we're all at Strength Will Rise.
Wolverhampton.
On Saturday the 30th of June at 5:30 p.m, we are having a volunteer celebration. So if you're an adult and you volunteer here at Excel Church, then we'd love to invite you along. If you've got kids that you need to bring along because you're both coming, then that's absolutely fine, but it is aimed at the adults. There's going to be a buffet and a quiz and some presentations as well. It's going to be an awesome night. We'd love to see you there, and thank you for your hard work at volunteering here at Excel Church at our celebration on the 30th of June.
Youthquake, we know the earth shakes. When we get together, with you at the center. Here now, let go, God's plan humbles. It's love.
Just before we go, remember that this Wednesday evening at 7:30 p.m. is our prayer and Bible study, and Mike will be doing part 2 of his Bible study, so why not get yourself here for that? That's everything for Excel News this week. We hope you have a fantastic one. Remember to sign up for the exchange and to check out our website for more details about anything that's going on here. We hope to see you soon for more Excel News.